Hey, it's Aya here from Social Media Design School. In the UK, February is the month of love. So this week's tutorial is all about how to show you the 2 ways to create Valentine's Day special offers on your Facebook page. I'm really excited to show you this because it's 2 different types of posts that you can create on your page to promote your special offer. So if you're ready, I'll meet you over on Facebook. So here we are on Social Media Design School's Facebook page. So the 2 areas I want to show you, the first one is probably the one that you may already know. If you don't, I'll show you anyway. So you're going to create an offer. So your page should have this feature and you'll find it just below your cover image. If you don't have it, the other way you may look at it, if you don't see it there, is if you click into write something. You should see a feature. Sometimes it has it. I think Facebook's been a bit glitchy at the moment. The other way to do it, I'm going to show you a second way, is if you go to Publishing Tools and then there's a plus sign where it says Create. So if you go into the section of Posts and then click Create. And if you click plus, and this will give you the list of other types of posts that you can create. So sometimes the pages can be really funny, but as you can see, you've got here where it says you can create an offer for people to claim. So you can go via that way or the first way that I showed you. So if we click on create an offer, and this is where you want to fill in the details. So this is just a post, remember. So if all you need to do here is write the title, the expiry of the offer, because it's not an ongoing offer, it's a special offer for Valentine's. Upload photos or just a photo if you want, and you need to specify if it's in store or online. You can add a promotional code, and you can also add terms and conditions. So if it is a special offer, I'll probably definitely add a few terms and conditions so that your visitors can't claim with another offer that you may already have that's ongoing. So what you want to do is write in your title. And then our expiry, ours will be up for the 13th, just the day before Valentine's, and we're going to do it to midnight. Then we're going to add a photo. So this will take you to your desktop. So you just want to upload a photo that you've created. So this one was created in Canva, I think, or my PowerPoint slide. Then you upload that. So again, your image could have most of the details if you want to add your price on there, more information, but I'm keeping it very simple. Ready to spar. And you can add more than one photo, like I said before. It's going to be an online purchase, and because this is what I love about this, it's not going to be in store, so let's take it off. If it's online, you need to obviously take them to where they can actually purchase it. So you need to have the URL link of the site that you want them to go and be able to claim your special offer. So I'm just going to grab a website URL. So I'll just paste that in. And now, so all you need is Love Spa Day. I've got the expiry and the time. I've got my image. It's going to be an online special. This is the link that it will take them to grab their special offer. And now I don't want this to go out straight away. I want this to go out in a day or so's time. So all you need to do, all based on what you want to do, if you want to publish now, click publish now, or you click this down arrow and you schedule for the offer to be posted on your page. So I'm going to schedule for the 2nd of February, and I'm going to do a 8 AM so that it will come out, and then you just click on schedule. And then when it's approved, because everything gets checked by Facebook, all you need to do is go into your scheduled post. So I'll show you how to find that. So if you've created it via publishing tools, you'll still be on the same section. So you can go to scheduled posts, and this is the one. So if you just click on it, that way you can just view how it's going to look when it gets posted. And that is the first way of how to create a special Valentine's Day offer on your page. Now I'm going to show you is how to create a slideshow to promote your special offer. So what we're going to do, we're going to, instead here, we're going to go to share a photo or video. We're going to click on that, and what's going to drop down is a few options of how to share photos. So the first one you have is upload a normal kind of what you generally do day to day. Upload photo, video, photo album, create a carousel, create a slideshow, create a canvas. We're going to create a slideshow, and we're allowed 3 to 10 images. So as you can see on here, you can have a look at the ratio. You can have it square, rectangle, or vertical. I think it's all, a lot of it was probably based on the dimension of your image. So I'm going to have a rectangle, and then I don't need to do any of this right now, but I'm going to add my photo, and then I'm going to upload, and these are the photos that are going to be for this slideshow. So I've clicked all 4 of them, and then what will happen is that it's going to start uploading, and as you can see at the bottom, the photos will sit there nicely, and it will sit in the order that it's going to appear. And when all the images are rendered or uploaded, you can actually change the position of where they are, so you can move them around. Also, you'll be able to change the ratio if you want to. You can also change the duration of the image. Because it's a slideshow, it means every 1 second another image is going to appear. And then you also have transition, so it's how it gets to the next image. So you can have none, or you can have it faded in. So I'm going to show you how you can do all of that. As you can see, it doesn't take very long, and this is how my images look. So if I wanted to now change the ratio and do square, which I think is probably going to be the best choice, but again, you don't have to stick to the first one you've chosen, so you can always play around with it. So I think I like it like that. 1 second per slide. I think I want 2, so I'll make it about 8 seconds, and I want it to fade. And then what you can do now, before I'm going to preview, I'm just going to make sure that this is in the order that I've created it, so you can actually just play it and just check. Perfect. So that's it. So I've literally used the same image, and I've just changed the text so that it just fades. But obviously you can do whatever you kind of want to do, but I just wanted to show you a very basic way of how to create it. So once that's created, so this is just the image, which is just going to speak to your audience. There is a place where you can add more text and more information about the special offer. So if you're happy with yours, if you're not, if anything was in the wrong order, all you need to do is hover over the slide that you want to move around, and it's literally that easy, and you just drop it wherever you want to drop it into. Just going to drop it back, and you can add up to 10. And again, if you want the duration to be even longer, you can choose up to 5 for each slide, but I don't think you really want that. I think people get really bored. And what's also fantastic now is that Facebook provides music, so you can add music to your slideshows now. So although a lot of people don't really have their sounds on, but there's no harm in having it on. So for those that do have their sounds on, it hopefully will it'll wake them up and let them know that you're doing something here. So what we're going to do music wise, you just select it. You could be here all day. So I'm just going to try and let's say dreamy. And then, yeah, so we're gonna pick dreamy. So that's what we've got. Also, what's nice is that you can upload your own as well. So now if we play it, and then you've got other things here that you can do as well. You can upload the tracks here. Recently used, energetic. So this is where the kind of the genre or the feel of the music modern, trustworthy, fun. Yeah, I'm going to leave it as it is. Now I'm happy with all of that. All I'm going to do is go to the bottom and click create slideshow. And now it's created my slideshow and it's put it as a post. So like you would normally have done, but now it's actually a post. So this is where you're going to add all your information. So remember what I've just done on the offer one. Said so it could be as brief as that, but this is where you add your description. Also, you can add your link. So claim your special offer today. And then your website URL goes there. Also, I love adding a little few emojis now and then. So you can go and click on insert an emoji. And because it's love, the season of love, I'm just going to find some hearts, which is just about here. And then maybe just here. And hearts again. So that was the second way of creating a special offer on your Facebook page. I hope you found this video useful. Will you be creating any yourself? So in this video, I've shown you 2 ways of creating the special offers. The first one was using Facebook's very own special offer feature, and the second was using their slideshow design. So are you going to be creating your own? If you are, share them with us. We would love to see them. So comment in the thread below. Take care and I'll see you soon.